Hello testers. In this video, I'm going to show you basic Playwright framework with Cucumber. It's not going to be one video. It will be the series of videos. So ultimately, we are going to see the integration of Playwright with Cucumber with the combination of TypeScript. You can go ahead with the JavaScript as well if you want, but in this sessions, we are going to see Playwright, Cucumber, and TypeScript. The system tricks are you should be installing Node.js and Visual Studio Code already installed. I will leave the official links to download Node.js as well as Visual Studio Code in the description. Please install these two required softwares. And along with it, I will not be teaching the Playwright, Cucumber, TypeScript in this series. It's all about the integration of all these three. How we can develop a basic framework by using Playwright, Cucumber, the TypeScript component. For that, you should already know TypeScript, basics of Playwright, and also the what is BDD, what is Cucumber, and all. And also, I will leave you the official documentations. We can say links. I will share in the description link. Just go through it. So once you are familiar with all those things, you will be comfortable with this integration. Okay. So let's start. I hope you already familiar with these three. Along with it, you already have a Node.js Visual Studio Code installed. So to start with, I'm gonna open the Visual Studio Code. For that, just create an empty folder. You can name anything. I have given Cucumber Playwright JavaScript. Just open with Visual Studio Code. So now we just need 7 dependencies. Right now, we may not be needing all these things 7, but better let's do it at the all 7 at once. Yeah. So for that, I have opened the Visual Studio Code. Let me open terminal, new terminal. The first thing we have to install is TypeScript. So simply npm. Before that, we need to initialize our repository. Let me say npm init just to create package.json. You can give the same name, version, that's okay. Description, this is automation of Playwright with BDD. Entry point, index.js is fine. Test command, we will add it later. Get repository, we don't have as of now. Keywords, anything, Playwright, TypeScript, JavaScript should be fine. Author, quality tech, license, no. We are all good, right? So now you can see package.json got created, right? So we will be adding the dependencies over here. The first dependency we are going to add is TypeScript. Simple, npm install or I TypeScript as a dev dependency -d. That's it. Now it should be installing the, you can see dependencies. You can see node modules got created, and similar way we have to add the rest of the 7. Second one, ts node, same thing, npm I ts node -d. Done, you can see. Third one, Cucumber, npm I -d, Cucumber. Next one, Playwright. Take this, npm I Playwright -d. Meanwhile, we'll take another one, test. So this is for, you can say, adding some assertions. You can use any other Mocha child libraries, but I'm going to use Playwright test. So same thing, npm I -d. You could see all whatever we are adding, they are getting added to the dev dependencies. And next one, meantime, Cucumber HTML reporter will not be using right away, but let's do it all together at once. -d. Finally, .env to read the .env file. We will see in the future. npm I-d, right? So these are all official document I will be providing in the description. So once you done with these steps, we are ready to start with the framework. In the next session, we will see how to create a folder structure. Thank you.